Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get CinemaBox and Bobby Movie. Now of course Bobby Movie is the suppressor here. Bobby Movie is a lot better than any other movie app you'll ever see. They've set the expectations so high. I don't think any other movie apps are going to beat them anytime soon. I mean, maybe in 100 years or something, they might make a better app, but right now, this is the best app. I mean, it's even better than every single movie app on iOS, guys. So, let's go ahead and jump right into this video, guys. Can I reach 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. And also, guys, I'm going to show you I'm not jailbroken right here. As you can see, none of these are opening up right now. So, let's go ahead and try and open up Cydia from right here. As you guys can see, it's still crashed. I'm going to go ahead and force close out of those. Go ahead and close out of everything else inside the background. There we go. Now, but once you install these, guys, go ahead. Now, please watch this video so then you guys will understand. You want to go to both of the links and install both apps, guys. Once they're both installed, hit the home button. Go to settings. This is extremely important. It's going to look like this, and you go to the settings. Scroll down until you see iTunes and App Store, and then you should be signing your Apple ID. Go ahead, hit sign out, guys. That is extremely important that you hit sign out. And then what you guys are going to do is go ahead, either write down the information, which is right here, the Apple ID, because it could change. That's why I'm not putting it into the description. So go ahead, copy the email, or write it down, whichever one you guys want to do. So then once you open up Muzam, it's going to look like this. Go ahead, hit cancel, guys. And then go ahead, enter in the password. Normally, it's going to have you enter in the actual ID, but sometimes it won't. This is my second time doing this. Then hit OK. Now we wait. If you guys experience any type of crashing, go ahead and hit OK, guys. It don't really matter. So as you can see, it actually is fully working now, guys. Now, if you experience any problems, let's say if you open it and it starts crashing, guys, what you're going to want to do is go ahead, go to the settings, and then you're going to want to go to iTunes and App Store, select this, click sign out, and then repeat the process, guys. When we actually open this, as you can see, it still works, but let's actually try force closing this once, see if it'll still work. And yeah, it does. It looks like we have this app permanently now, guys. So now that we have done that, let's see if we can actually get the crashing bug to work on CinemaBox so I can explain it more to you guys. So once you've installed CinemaBox, let's go ahead and go over to here. You're just going to want to do the same thing. So here's the email right here. Go ahead and hit copy. Now you have to remember the password. It's pretty simple. Hit cancel. And then right here, this is what it'll normally look like. Hit paste. Go to right here. Let's hope I spell this right. Hit select OK. If it says it is not valid for this store, like if it says it's for the Vietnamese store or whatever store it says, guys, that means you do have to repeat the step to where you have to sign out inside the settings app, guys. And you should get a black screen for a good maybe 10 seconds or more. Let's go ahead and wait. And as you guys can see right there, it automatically crashed. I didn't even have time to play it. Now when we try opening up the app, it will actually crash. So as you guys can see, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to the settings. And as you can see, I'm currently logged in as Playbox HD2. Select sign out, guys. I'm actually glad this happened in the video. So this will more than likely happen to you guys. Open up the app again. Select cancel. And then it's going to ask you to put the password. Go ahead and type it in. Select OK. Now it should work. I doubt it's going to happen twice in a row. Go ahead, select OK. And as you guys can see, CinemaBox is now working perfectly fine, guys. So let's go ahead and make this black. That always looks better, a dark theme. So there you guys go. You now have both of these movie apps. They're both amazing, but honestly, this app, this one right here is a lot better. I mean, just look how beautiful this is. Look at the background. I love this part right here, how it actually changes with the movie. And I'm just going to click a random one. And then, I mean, there's even this now. When you guys try playing something, this should hopefully pop up. As you guys can see, it said server not available. What you're going to do is where it says server right here, select that and change the server. I mean, if they only have server 1, then you're kind of screwed. Go to something else, select server, go to server 2, and then it should actually work. Let's actually see if that worked. I don't think it will. See, it looks like we can't watch Mighty Med, but I don't really know what that is, so it don't really matter. So, let's actually go to an actual movie. Let's go to popular. Let's do American Horror Story. It's a good TV show. So, when we try playing the first episode, see, this one's actually going to play, but like I said, if it has the errors on server 1, just go ahead and select a different server, and it should work perfectly fine. Other than that, guys, you are done from here. You have both of these apps forever. I'm going to go ahead and sign out. Wait. And if it says it is blocked or whatever, wait 15 minutes and try again, guys. Let's go ahead and close out of both of them. Go back. Go in here, and as you guys can see, it still works while I'm even signed out. So I do believe this is permanent. If it does start crashing, then all you guys have to do is sign back in. It's as simple as that, guys. And this does have Cache. When you go to Cache, it's actually download. This is where you're going to want to go for while it's downloaded. And once it's fully downloaded, you go right here. Now, important, guys, CinemaBox has a really bad bug. I mean, this is probably one of the worst bugs I've ever seen in any new movie app. When you download something on CinemaBox, you cannot delete it. The only way to delete it is by deleting the app itself. I don't believe Bobby Movie has that actual bug because I've downloaded stuff in there before, like Gotham, and it works perfectly fine. So if you guys want to download something to appear offline, which I don't recommend because it is illegal, you're going to want to use Bobby Movie for that, guys, because when you actually delete something, it actually deletes it. It doesn't lie to you and hide the movie. So, yeah, that's going to be about it for this video, guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.